this is going to be a part 2 of the video because I'm not sure what recorded and what didn't earlier. If you see the same thing twice, I'm sorry.
He's got it.
Pretty sure I got this one in the last video, but you never know. And that's for those who want to see the inside of it.
You don't give a damn.
I'll try to get those 2 little ones over there. Come around this way, around that way. Now this is what you call a beauty here. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Look at that, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, that sun is glaring on me, but I'm gonna end it with the one I'm gonna say is my absolute favorite. Y'all have a great rest of y'all's day, and y'all do something nice for somebody. Again, this is going to be a 2-part video simply because I messed up.